Elon Musk really planning to step down as Tesla's CEO? Or is it just all rumors? Well, this is the question creating a buzz around the globe as one of the most famous tech leaders faces a fresh controversy. Recently, the Wall Street Journal published a report claiming that Tesla's board of directors is secretly looking for somebody to replace Elon Musk as company's CEO. But Musk himself fired back immediately, calling the report completely false and accusing the newspaper of being unethical. Elon Musk has led Tesla for almost 20 years now, turning it from a small electric car company into a global giant. Under his leadership, Tesla became the most valuable car company in the world back in 2021, with a market value crossing $1 trillion. But the last few months haven't been really good for them. Tesla's profit dropped significantly by about 71% in the first quarter of 2025. The company's stock price, once soared at $1.5 trillion, has now fallen to about $900 billion. Many investors are really worried, wondering if Musk's attention is shifting away from Tesla. Let's talk about the article first. The Wall Street Journal's article claimed that Tesla's board had started talking to recruitment firms to find a new CEO. According to unnamed source, the board was actually concerned that Musk was spending too much time on politics, specifically after he took up a new role as head of a government department under US President Donald Trump. The article said that some board members feared that Trump wasn't focusing enough on Tesla's problems, like falling sales, tough competitions, and challenges in the big markets like China and Germany. But both Musk and Tesla's board quickly denied the report. Robin Denholm, who is the chair of Tesla's board, released a very strong statement saying that the story was absolutely false. She insisted that the board fully supports Musk and believes that he is still the right leader to guide Tesla's growth. Musk, on his social media platform X, went even further, calling the article a disgrace to journalism and accusing the Wall Street Journal of lying even after hearing denials from the board. But yes, let me tell you, this isn't the very first time that questions have come up about Musk's ability to manage multiple companies. Besides Tesla, he also runs SpaceX, Neuralink, the Boring Company, and X. In 2023, Musk was named the world's richest person again, with an estimated net worth of over $240 billion. But many investors have been really frustrated by how much time he spends on social media and politics instead of focusing on Tesla's challenges. Interestingly, the Wall Street Journal report claimed that Musk didn't argue when board members asked him to commit more time to Tesla in a meeting. It also suggested that Musk's political ties with Donald Trump were hurting Tesla's public image, specifically in places like California and Europe, where many Tesla buyers are uncomfortable with his support for the drop. At the very same time, Tesla's competitors are catching up really fast. Companies like BYD in China, Rivian, and Lucid Motors are launching new electric vehicles, while Ford and General Motors are rapidly expanding their EV lines. Tesla's global market share in electric car reportedly fell from 17% back in 2023 to 13% in early 2025, adding more pressure on the company to stay ahead.